Are you tired of guessing what's wrong with your robot vacuum that gets stuck all the time? Don't worry, we'll help you find the best solution. Take a look at how we have successfully resolved our customer problems. Our customer brought us Roborock S5 Max robot vacuum with stuck robot wheels and worn-out side brushes. The customer turns to us for troubleshooting. Look, the robot vacuum moves a bit and then gets stuck, unable to work. Looks like the wheel needs a replacement. We decided to investigate further by disassembling the robot vacuum. But wait! We found lots of piles of dust. Check out this dust, reducing its effectiveness and even causing potential clogs. We diagnosed the problem, a faulty left wheel. And we recommend replacing the wheels, the worn-out side brush, and the changer filter. To maximize performance, a deep cleaning service is also necessary. After the customer approved, we proceed to repair and deep cleaning service the robot. However, after the service and repairs are finished, we do a unit test before returning the robot to the customer to ensure no other issues arise. Now the robot vacuum works like a charm. Everything works perfectly, with no problems, like it's brand new. Are you having the same problem? Let us be your solution.